Hello everybody, I'm Miss Wala Abdul Qadir and I will be your science teacher for this lesson today. Our lesson today is about fossils. In our lesson, we have talk about fossils. We begin. When we study fossils, we can study life evolution about organisms on the earth. How? When we go to the geological museum, we can see bones or skulls of ancient organisms. What are these called? These are called fossils. In our lesson, we can answer some questions about fossils to know what is that. Number one, what are fossils? What are the difference between traces and remains? Number three, what are the types of fossils? Number four, how do fossils form? Number five, what is the importance of fossils? Number six, what is an index fossil and what is the importance of it? What are fossils? Fossils is or are traces and remains or of an old organisms that are preserved in sedimentary rocks. What are traces? Trace of an old living organism indicate its activity during its life. Like what? Worms' tunnels, like dinosaurs' footprints. Remains, traces that indicate the remains of an old organism after death, like remains of dinosaur skulls or remains of shark's teeth. What are the types of fossils? Fossils are classified according to the way of formation into several types. Number one, fossil of complete body. Number two, cast. Number three, mold. Number four, petrified fossils. What is fossil of complete body? Burying of organism as soon as it died in medium preserves its form decomposition to preserve it from decomposition. Number two, cast. It's the replica of the internal details of skeleton. Now, number three, mold. It's a replica of the external details of a skeleton. Number four, petrified fossil. Fossils formed by replacing organic matter of organism by minerals. What is petrification? Petrification is the process of replacing the wood material of trees by silica to form petrified woods parts by part. Examples: complete body fossil like mammoth fossil. We all know what is mammoth fossil. Number two, ember fossil. The cast, like cast of ferns, cast of fish, mold, ammonites fossil, or trilobite fossil. Petrified fossils like dinosaurs' eggs or dinosaurs' teeth or petrified wood. Suitable condition for fossils formation. Number one, hard skeleton. Number two, burying a dead organism immediately. Number three, suitable medium in which mineral material replaces the organic material, like petrified fossils. What is the importance of fossils? Fossils are important because they help in determination of sedimentary rocks. Number two, figuring out the paleoenvironment. Number three, studying life evolution. Number four, petroleum exploration. Index fossil. We must know the index fossil when we study the importance of fossil. When we determine the age of sedimentary rocks, we must know what is the index fossil. They are fossils of organisms that had lived or lived for a short period of time in the past. Lived for a short period of time in the past, and had wide geographic distribution, then become extinct. Number two, figuring out the paleoenvironment, like Nemulites fossils. What is Nemulites fossils? They are found in limestone rocks and indicate that Muqattam was a sea floor. Nemulites fossils. Number two, ferns fossil. They indicate that the environment was a hot or rainy tropical, like fern fossil. Number three, coral fossils. They indicate that the environment was clear, warm, shallow seas. The importance of fossil. Number three, studying a fossil record showed that life started in the sea. Organisms developed from simple to complicated, as algae appeared before mosses and ferns. Angiosperm appeared before gymnosperms. Invertebrates appeared before vertebrates. Fish were the first vertebrates, then amphibians, then reptiles, then birds and mammals. What is Archaeopteryx? Archaeopteryx is the link between reptiles and birds. Number four, petroleum exploration. Scientists take samples from rocks and study them under microscope. If they contains microfossils like foraminifera and radiolaria, like these pictures, that means these rocks suitable for petroleum formation. At the end of our lesson, we must answer this question. Arrange following fossils starting with first appearance on the life stage. Cast fossils of fish, mammoth fossil, trilobite fossil, Archaeopteryx. What is the true arrange? Trilobite, then cast fossil of fish, then Archaeopteryx, then mammoth. Trilobite is from invertebrates that appeared in sea. Fish were the first vertebrates. Archaeopteryx links between reptiles and birds, which appeared after fish. Mammoth is from the mammals that appears after reptiles. Question number two. What is the organisms developed from simple to complicated. Algae appears before mosses and ferns. Angiosperm appeared before gymnosperms. And vertebrates appeared before vertebrates. Fish were the first vertebrates, then amphibians, then reptiles. At the end, birds and mammals appeared together. In the end of our lesson, we wish the all understand that lessons and can answer all the questions. Goodbye for now.